So pretty. So I just recently got the Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm so excited to start using it. So that's what I'm going to be using for you guys today. I'm not going to be doing like a crazy like eyeshadow look with it, but I promise I will have some videos up for you guys with some really nice eyeshadow looks using this palette. But for today I am just going to start actually with my face because I've been feeling super insecure, I guess, about it, just because my skin has been breaking out like crazy lately, and it's literally just like this area over here. I think I mentioned it in like one of my other videos or something, but yeah, so I'm just gonna start with that. Also, I am pretty sick. I've been sick for about a week now. It's gotten a lot better though. So I just am using the Mercier Blemishless foundation primer. So yeah, I've been sick for a while now, and it was actually a lot worse. Like, it just like kind of happened randomly in the morning. I start feeling like my throat getting sore, and I'm like, please no. Yeah, and then just casually lost my voice. So that's great. Next thing I'm going to use is these Tarte Rainforest of the Sea drops. My skin has been super dry lately as well, so I'm going to be using this to add some moisture. So yeah, I've been having these like breakouts on the side of my face over here for a while now, and I've been trying to use like different products to be able to get rid of it, like dry it out, or just like also trying to cut out like dairy and like not eat certain things to try and figure out what is causing it, and I haven't been able to figure that out yet. But over on my Instagram stories a couple days ago, I started talking about this new product that I got. It was the Mario Badescu drying lotion, and I tried it out for about a week, and to be honest, I don't know how I feel about it just yet, only because I was finding that I would use it on like certain spots to like as like a spot treatment, and I would find that it would dry them out, but then I was getting new ones at the same time. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but I started getting really confused, and I didn't want to blame the product right away because it still is that time of the month as well. So really there's just so much going on, and I don't know what the cause is. So that's just been a challenge for me. But so I stopped using that, and actually what I was using instead, I started using apple cider vinegar, which I have heard of before to use on blemishes and stuff, and I know my sister does it. So I used that, and really it worked like miracles. It still is like not the best right now, but it has gotten a lot better, so I'm really happy about that. And I might go back and try the Mario Badescu drying lotion again later on, but just for now I really wanted my skin to just clear up, so I have been using the apple cider vinegar just straight on a cotton round, and right before bed I just put it on. If you guys struggle with blemishes and whatnot, let me know what are some products that you guys use as like a really good spot treatment. So now I'm just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Next thing I want to do is concealer, and I'm going to go in with my MAC 24-Hour Studio Fix concealer. And then I'm going in with this mini beauty sponge thing, and I'm just using it for the under eyes. Also forgot to mention, I am actually filming from my bed today because I just didn't feel like setting everything up, and I just wanted to be like super intimate and just chill with you guys because I'm so lazy. And I really just wanted to relax and do my makeup because during the week I honestly don't really do my makeup that much because I go to work every day and I don't really need to. So yeah, when I do get to do my makeup now, I get like super excited. And I'm going to go back to this beauty blender and I am going to set or bake a little bit, I guess, the under eyes while we do the eyeshadow. So the first shade I'm going to use is Canvas, and I'm going to use that to kind of set that concealer that we put on the eyes. Next shade I'm going to go in with is called James, and I'm going to take that on a big fluffy brush like this, and I'm just going to pop that in the crease, blend it up to brow bone. I was so excited for this palette and I really wanted to get my hands on it, but it kept selling out like crazy. So every time I came back in stock, I was never able to get it because it just sold out so fast. So when they opened the Morphe store in Square One, I never got like a chance to go, and one of my friends actually was able to pick it up for me. She had gotten it herself from when she went, and she ended up picking it up for me, and I was so grateful and like so happy. She's the best. She was super sweet. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is Literally. Love the name. And I'm going to put that color just all over the lid. So then I'm going to also put the shade, what shade is that? Shook? Yes. I'm going to also put the shade Shook, just a little bit right on top of that. Alright, so I think that's what I'm going to stick to for the shadow today. I'm, again, not really going to do anything too crazy. We're just going to the movies. So yeah. So next I am just going to take my curler and I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic and put some mascara. I have always loved this mascara. Like, since high school, I've always used this mascara, and I just find that it makes my lashes super long and like that spidery-like kind of lash, which I know a lot of people don't like, but I love. I also really like the Benefit They're Real. That one makes my lashes pretty crazy too. Other than that, I've tried so many mascaras, but I just always find that I go back to these like same ones that I've used in the past because they just work the best for me. Let me know if there's any mascaras that you guys have tried that you like swear by or that you like really loved. So now that I'm done with mascara, I am going to just wipe off this powder underneath my eyes. Next thing I'm going to do is fill in my brows because I haven't done that yet. And I always use my Anastasia. now that my brows are done, I am going to move on to bronzer, and I'm going to use my Too Faced as usual. This has like always been my favorite bronzer. It's like the perfect shade for me, and I don't know, there's so much about it that I like. I feel like I can contour with it, I can use it as eyeshadow even. I love the fact that it's matte and it lasts me like a super long time. Maybe I'm biased because, not gonna lie, I'm like a Too Faced fanatic, but honestly, if you guys haven't tried this bronzer, you really have to. It's a must. But again, if you guys have suggestions for other bronzers that are like super good, maybe like similar to this one, let me know, because I always like trying new products. This thing is so annoying. Whatever, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some blush, and I'm gonna use my Tom Ford duo cheek thing. This one is the shade Bi-Coastal, and I'm gonna kind of mix the two together. I'm just gonna pop that on the cheeks. And finally, I'm just gonna go in with some Champagne Pop for some highlight. Do that a little bit on the nose. Right, and last but not least, I am going to do my lips, and for that, I am going to use the Kylie Cosmetics. This one is the lip liner in Coconut. And then I'm just gonna fill the lips a little bit with the pencil. So now that I've lined my lips, I'm gonna actually go in just with some lip balm on top. I always use this one because my lips get so dry in the winter, and this one is just the Vaseline Lip Therapy, and it's the cocoa butter scent. So I'm just gonna go over the lips with some gloss, and I'm gonna use the Pixie lip gloss, and this one is the shade Honey Sheen. It's like a very pretty nude shimmery shade, so I don't know, I've never tried it. We'll see. Oh, that's really nice. It has like a minty, like pepperminty kind of scent to it. I guess maybe I think it's supposed to be a lip plumping. I think it's supposed to have some sort of lip plumping effect, which I can feel it kind of working, so yeah. Alright, and last but not least, what I'm gonna do is just go back and curl my lashes, because who doesn't love some nice curled lashes? I don't know about you guys, but I was definitely not blessed with nicely, naturally curled lashes. Like, I know some people who just have naturally curled lashes and they'll just stay up all the time, but usually I just curl them before mascara and then I curl them afterwards, like when the mascara dries, and they'll last. But for all of you guys out there who have naturally curled lashes, I envy you. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was super chill, different setup this time, so I hope you guys liked that as well. Just wanted to be like super relaxed and have fun with filming this video for you guys, and just chit chat about life and products and makeup and just do what I love. And so if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to show some love. You can leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. We can chit chat, and you can leave me some suggestions for what other videos you guys want to see, because I always run out of ideas. But if you guys want to see more of these or more of the previous video that I posted, which was a like best friend tag, or more sister tags or haul videos, anything, just let me know and I will try to do that for you guys. So thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate all of your support. Honestly, it means the absolute world to me that you guys care and come on my channel, and your feedback is awesome and I really love doing this. So yeah, I'll stop rambling now, but please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!